हेलो नमस्ते पेरिपोना, मेरा नाम है रोहन करियप्पा और आज हम देखने वाले हैं this would be the first video that I'm planning to put out on my channel, which would be revolving around hip hop. Hip hop is a genre that I love tremendously, and this would actually be an analysis of a scene or else an artist that would clear many thoughts upon that, and why is it exactly that way. Yes, we are talking about MC Stan here. MC Stan, what makes him so weird yet so big in the scene, right? Either there would be like tremendous hate for this artist, or else there are polar opposite fan bases of this artist. Why is it exactly? We'll get to know that when you stick around to the video more. So this artist called MC Stan. First I came in notice with this artist, like it was about like 2 to 3 years ago. How it all started? It started with the time I was discovering more artists in the hip hop scene. During the time of Gully Boy promotions, you know, there was a cypher placed in मुंबई वेस्ट साइड किधर तो था वो साइफर पे बहुत सारे आर्टिस्ट आए थे, बट दैट वीडियो गॉट लीक्ड आउट ऑन टू द इंटरनेट एंड आई गॉट टू नो सो मच आर्टिस्ट. MC अल्ताफ, वैसे MC अल्ताफ को मैं पहले भी जानता था, बट दिस गाय हैज सो मच पोटेंशियल इन हिम. आई गॉट टू नो बाय दैट वीडियो. स्लो चीता मेरे को एक नया आर्टिस्ट मिला, सेंस फ्रॉम I don't know where he belongs, like which group he belongs to, but I guess enemies. Yeah, so MC Altaf, Slow Cheetah, you know, Yoku, 7 Bantais, 7 Bantais से भी public थी वहाँ पे. Divine and Emiway were also the part of the cipher, and at that period of time I got to know this artist as well, MC Stan. Not in relation to that cipher. How exactly? I'll tell you how. So at that period of time, along with these artists that I came to know, one guy was like totally off the scene. मुंबई की पब्लिक भी उसको सुनने को लग गई थी ड्यू टू अ सर्टन रीजन. ऑल ओवर इंडिया बेसिकली उसको सुनने लग गई थी. दिस रैपर MC Stan had to be dissing Emiway and Divine. This was the introduction of me to him, and the guy has never disappointed to me in any sense. The amount of effort that this guy and his team takes is incredible. But first we'll get to know that why and how this cultural shift happened to be in hip hop. The way of the industry has been that way कि अगर public recognition में आना है तो feasible content तो बनाना ही पड़ेगा, that people would relate to you more on a more level, on a broader basic level, right? तो you know market में need भी तो बनानी है, but अगर artist perspective से देखा तो you want that you should deliver the content that people would always have deserted for. For more explaining, I'll bring up an example to you. For example, like कि when you start drinking, right? So for you to experiment upon the taste later on, which would suit your style, your personality, your fucking biology, it should start at some point, right? So what am I trying to say is कि first you have to get a broader picture of the concept, and then you can experiment upon it, that what suits you more, and accordingly you will consume the content, right? So we as a mass were going through that cultural shift. Art culture in sense of hip hop wasn't that big in India. Musicians overall कोई गिने चुने छोड़ के वो रॉकस्टार वाला वाइब कोई बना ही नहीं पाया. Labels, PR, management teams, to also be in a profitable way, the main source of the income for that particular structure is simply the artist and only artist itself. So each time the artist been presented like a rock star would be in a quite caricaturish way. तब तक के टाइम पे it was just television, radio were the only public platforms which were the only expression का way, और वो भी numerous layers through filter होके आता था. एक चीज़ मैं यहाँ पे और एक ऐड करना चाहूँगा कि we as a country are a developing one, right? हम एक developing country है, which means कि हमारा happiness index is too low. It's quite low. सोचो ये सब चीज़ों का खाली business aspect, like strictly business aspect कितना होगा कि just get the money out of that shit. Just the business part of it is so much bigger than the content and the art itself that it's eating it upon. In comparison to the West, the industry is already established, so there is a growth curve to it. So like be in what sense, what genre, what style. So Desi hip hop, the exploding of it happened like 2 years back itself. तो जब बीफ आया, मूवी आई, वो टाइम पे हाइप बना, और जस्ट इट्स क्वाइट न्यू, इट्स क्वाइट अ बेबी थिंग टू एक्चुअली इफ वी कंपेयर इट टू द वेस्ट सीन टू बी स्पेसिफिक. सोचो द लिरिक गेम, द स्टाइल गेम, द genre fluidity, the growth is tremendous. So my personally, which I used to jam a lot on these songs, which were काम भारी का काम भारी, डिवाइन का जंगली शेर, मेरे गली में बोलो, तीसरी मंजिल, एंड इवन एमिवे का ऐसा कुछ शॉट नहीं है, आउट ऑफ संपर्क, सड़क, रफ्तार का मंटोयत, उसके और भी गाने, बट this leaves a quite impact on you if you try to listen to it on a whole different level. Okay, so just these bunch of artists which I mentioned, खाली उन्हीं का स्टाइल देखा आपने तो इतना आगे आए ये लोग कि इतना बीट स्विचेस हो रहे हैं. लाइक there's different style of beat is been brought up into the game. Old school से new school आया, trap, some went to drill, flow switches तो पूछो ही मत. All happened to be in just mere span of 2 years. और ऐसे में इतने सब झमेले में आता है अपना देसी हिप हॉप का हीरो MC Stan. Stan always had a sense of evolved trap music ka listening, and I'm telling you, the more you listen to the stuff again and again, the more you try to vibe with it, it becomes your own style. और वही हो रहा है MC Stan के art में basically. If you try to see it, his genre is more into trap. It fits more into trap. अगर हम स्टैन की कोई भी बीट देखेंगे, इट इज़ नॉट योर यूजुअल ट्रैप बीट. देर इज like keen understanding and believe in the scene, the style, and वो तो छोड़ ही दो, like कि the evolution of electronic music from trance to house to dubstep to trap. But this last 2-3 years it got just more established and welcomed into the mainstream genre, and suddenly even pop was sounding like a trap song, तो बाहर वेस्ट में तो हिप हॉप का स्टाइल ऑफ ट्रैप वॉज डिफरेंट. लाइक देयर इज अ डिफरेंट स्ट्रेन ऑफ ट्रैप इफ यू ट्राई टू कंपेयर इट विद द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वन. सो व्हाट हैपेंड विद MC Stan is the listening curve of the audience was not met. For some people, someone who has an acceptance and can notice like some familiarity, like कुछ उसको familiar चीज़ें मिलते हैं उसके गानों में से in his style, वो audience could relate to him on a different level. एंड ऑल्सो कि जो स्टैंड कर रहा था वो कुछ नया उसमें था भी नहीं. लाइक फ्लो स्विचेस हो रहे एंड बीट स्विचेस हो रहे थे. इट वॉज जस्ट द मैटर कि अप टू वॉट एक्सटेंट, लाइक द वे ही डज इट एंड द अमाउंट ऑफ इट ही डज इट इज ऑल्सो क्वाइट क्वेश्चनेबल थिंग टू पीपल. चलो डायलेक्ट का बात करते हैं. मैं नहीं हूँ पुणे से, बट द नंबर ऑफ टाइम द टिपिकल फ्रेजेस वुड कम अप एंड आई वुड फिगर आउट कि वो बंदा क्या बोलना चाहता है. So see, language is, to be honest, like language is just a mere tool for expressing your thoughts. बाकी लोग जैसा मैं भी इग्नोर मार के चला जाता था, but acceptance of thing would try to tell you the story which you ever been deserve to hear it of. Stan जो करना चाहता है यहाँ पे, if I try to compare it more into the electronic scene, there's this favoritist music producer of mine called Flume. If you guys have heard it, then kudos to you. This guy does is कि MC Stan is actually trying to follow his footsteps. He's been doing in the electronic scene, So उसका हर एक ट्रैक, लाइक फ्लूम का, उसका हर एक गाना इतना अलग होता है उसके प्रीवियस गाने से कि इट डजंट मैच अप, बट यू नो दैट फॉर अ सर्टन फैक्ट कि ये एक फ्लूम सॉन्ग है. क्वाइट फेमिलियर शिट, राइट? MC Stan try to does that, keeping up with the same style but keeping it so fresh कि आपको you'll become eventually a fan of that thing. Tell me one song of MC Stan जो थोड़ा भी identical है उसके पुराने कोई प्रोजेक्ट से. There is none, right? Flume has a cult following in the scene and trust me, बंदे ने पूरा scene change कर दिया था.
Scene change कर दूंगा बेटा, ये मेरा वादा है.
Like he actually made a path for the producers producing it that way back in the day. So what happened is कि Flume को वो टाइम पे कोई सुनता नहीं था. Okay, like ज़्यादा he wasn't a mainstream artist. Even now he is not a mainstream artist. So what happened is कि बाकी producers ने उसका स्टाइल ब्लेंड इन किया and they got famous. So once एक टाइम ऐसा था कि I used to hear his style every now and then every mainstream electronic genre में. So तब लोगों के साथ क्या हुआ कि people's ear got trained by these artists, these all artists who's borrowing Flume's art, and when they started to listen to Flume, they appreciated the work of art which Flume did. Understood? So coming back to the main point, MC Stan के साथ exactly वही हो रहा है, क्योंकि ना people's ear aren't trained to what MC Stan is doing right now. अभी जो भी कुछ कर रहा है उसको पब्लिक कोई रेडी नहीं है. Like they aren't trained, their ears aren't trained. And for the fact that he makes his own beat is it's quite tremendous to me. मेरा सर फट जाता है the amount of talent that this guy has. That exactly is the reason why कि public को वो alien लगता था. कि you get it right कि यार कितना simple है कि why his haters became his fan, because they were curious about this stuff. They tried to listen to it more and उनको समझा कि exactly what his art is, and later on happened to listen to his music more. And this is why his haters became his fans. So also artist perspective से देखा तो भाई अभी artist could literally put up stuff internet पे किधर भी. So like बहुत सारे internet में ही medium पड़े हुए, like streaming platforms हुआ, YouTube, Insta, फिर Reels हुआ, कुछ भी like a big chunk of mass को देखो, audience को अगर ये तेरा वर्क ऑफ आर्ट पहुंचाना है तो यू कुड बी अप्रिशिएटेड ओवर देयर टू. और अगर कोई नीश सब ग्रुप्स तुम्हारा आर्ट पहुंचाना है तो वहाँ पे भी हो सकता है, बिकॉज देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ लाइक माइंडेड पीपल जो ये सब ग्रुप्स में बैठेंगे. सो इफ यू स्टे ट्रू टू योर आर्ट सो इट विल बी रीच्ड एंड लाइक टू, एंड इवेंचुअली दैट प्रोडक्ट दिख तो जाएगा, और अगर दिख गया तो वो सेकेंड व्यूइंग और एल्स पोटेंशियली माइंड चेंजिंग भी बन सकता है. Also, more of his content speak for itself. So like कि he barely comes on Insta Live. So जब आता है तब साला भीड़ लग जाता है उसकी Insta Live पे देखने के लिए. Because people are always eager to know that what he's been keeping up on. And that is a great way to market yourself. कि मैं नहीं बोलेगा, तुम लोग मेरा content देखो.
सरक मम्मा में थोड़ा बजने दे, इतने पिक्स पल रहे इनको सिर्फ सजने दे, सजने से मिलती ना कुछ अधिक.